In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Kindle notes and highlights on iPhone. By the end, you'll know exactly where your saved annotations live and how to review them in one clean, organized place. First, open the Kindle app on your iPhone. Give it a second to load your library. If you've recently added highlights or notes on another device, having a stable internet connection helps the app sync everything in the background so what you see is current. Next, look toward the bottom right corner of the screen and tap More. This is the tab that gathers your extra tools and settings, separate from your main library view. It's where Kindle keeps features that support your reading, like your account options and, in this case, your annotations. Inside the More menu, tap Notebooks. Think of Notebooks as your all-in-one binder for every note and highlight you've made across your Kindle books. Instead of hunting through each title, this section pulls your annotations together and organizes them by book, making them fast and simple to review. Now find and tap the notebook you want to view. Each notebook corresponds to a specific book in your library. When you open one, you'll see a chronological list of your highlights and any notes you wrote alongside them. This view is especially helpful if you're studying, prepping for a discussion, or just revisiting your favorite passages without opening the book itself. From here, simply scroll to see your notes and highlights. As you move down the page, you'll notice each entry shows the text you highlighted, and if you added one, your note appears right with it. This lets you quickly scan key ideas, remember why you highlighted a passage, and refresh your memory without flipping through chapters. If you recently annotated on a different device and don't see your latest changes yet, a quick check of your connection and a brief pause for syncing usually does the trick. A couple of quick pointers as you browse. The Notebooks view is designed to reduce clutter and keep you focused, so the information is streamlined and easy to read. If your list feels long, scrolling is the intended way to move through your saved items. And if Notebooks doesn't appear right away, you're likely just a tap away in the More tab, as app layouts can vary slightly by version. That's it. Open Kindle, tap More, go into Notebooks, choose the book's notebook, and scroll through your annotations. Simple, organized, and a great way to make the most of your reading.